Yeah, if you don't know my last video, which I got 330 spins, I'm not sure if I published it or not, but yeah. And in that, I got a large caliber machine gun, automatic, slows the target, and also bleeding. It's a primary mythical and a fire rate of 98, capacity of 100, and mobility of 40. Just gonna search large caliber machine gun in the Pixelgun wiki, and at 420 parts, craft it up, and boom. No description. Sad. So without any modules, the one bullet to the head will be 22 damage and 6 bleeding. To the body will be 16 and 5 bleeding. And the DPS is 130. That's not bad. I mean, it's alright. Zoom's not bad. And yeah, not bad. There is fixate with this, and there is optic sight, which I'm gonna guess is a zoom. Huh. Okay. But yeah. So the Pixelgun wiki says you can get this in app purchases or for the event sets, but I got this in the lucky board, so that's nice. And yeah, the model looks awesome, but the damage might not be that awesome. But first game, I'm gonna just hop into team fight. First game will be a random map and Chinatown with military weapons. Huh, but there is 100 entire bullets on this, so that is amazing. Dang it. Mobility is not that good, and I'm using my grinding loadout. You know what? Yeah, sure, why not? I'll use this and use large caliber machine gun right there. Got killed by battle mech. I think he's dead. Yep. You two dead. Got me a double kill. Saw some dude shooting red lasers. You're dead. You're dead. Please. Yep. You're dead. There you go. Gonna shoot that. And got a quadruple kill. Nice. Okay, didn't pick that up. I'm gonna put her right there. I'm gonna spray this. Yeah, let's go. More death. Dang it. I am known to win 3 games in a row with legendary for the elite tier weapon, since I realized I just finished the deathmatch and I wasn't really trying, but sure. Normally I do not grind for the elite tier weapons because they take too long, but I don't want on accident, so now I'm trying to do it. I also have the harsh dragon. I have no idea what that called, but a harsh dragon weapon. I only have like 30 kills with that, so I need to grind them. And there's only like 1 day left, so yeah. But that is the closest that I ever gotten to grabbing me a elite tier weapon. I guess I also grinded for the heroic epi, but yeah. Who was that dude shooting? You, I am dead. He didn't kill me with the dragon bite. Wow. I think he missed. Oh, that's someone's turret. Okay. You're dead. Dang, I didn't dodge that one. You can die, maybe? Yeah. The reel is actually pretty fast for a 100 capacity weapon. That's a lot of mobility. That's a lot of capacity. Pew. Dang it! Die. 71 ammo. Please no. Damn. But yeah, I got the most kills. Wow. Not bad. Not bad at all. But next game will be with modules this time. And I'm thinking this module combination with this. Although I don't really need a max clip capacity. But sure. How much ammo do I have now? Don't know. But yeah, when weapons do not have that much of a OP damage, I like to put on this module combination, which gives them more damage, which is good, and D-Day. This is good for this. This map's good for this weapon, but it's not a good map since it is super underrated, and nobody plays in that anymore. So yeah, switching maps into probably Paradise Resort. Okay, Paradise Resort. Oh, dang. Jet Spear dude. Dead. Yeah. Up. What? 0% health? Oh, I lost him. Turrets. Dislike. Dead. Oh. Yeah, boy. Let's go. I'm just getting kills left and right with this. Yeah, he just spawned. There's 2 people there. Just gonna pop this. I'll probably die pretty soon with my luck, because I normally die really quickly after using a module, and I did. Okay. You're dead. There you go. You're dead. No, missed. Yeah, still got him. Shurikens. Not bad, I guess. Oh, you? Dang. Mr. BS lol. Wait, doesn't BS mean, bullcrap or something? Dang. That dude again. Yeah. Dang. Fully charge it. Come here. Come here. Yeah, no. Kill assist. Let's go. This weapon is so thick. There's almost 0 chance that you're running out of ammo with this. I can't ski. Die. There you go. Turret. That's a pet. You're dead. Someone's shooting at me. He's dead. Okay. Dang. Come on, die. Die. So 69 though. Nice. This weapon by far has to be the easiest weapon to do the, what's it called, the shoots. I don't know how many times it'll prime me, cause yeah, you're gonna spam this. Also, there is fixed delay, cause yeah, fixed delay. Yeah, but that is a very tiny fixed delay. There you go. Oh, we are losing by so much. I did not realize that. Die. Dang. Come on. One more kill. I saw someone dropped a gem. Dang. But I got defeat with 16 kills. Not bad, honestly. Not bad. But yeah, this weapon, I mean, it's alright. I'll give it probably an 7 out of 10, but a lot of ammo and decent amount of GPS. And yeah, 7 out of 10. That's it for today's video, and hope you have a great day.